Ready? Honorable members of the legislature, I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to this joint session of the legislature. It is our sincere wish that the pace of economic development should be speeded up and the benefits of such development should reach the weaker sections of the society. We also wish that the poverty in the state should be removed as early as possible. We want to achieve this objective without affecting the basic freedoms enjoyed by all sections of the society. In this connection, I wish to point out that freedom of speech and expression should be enjoyed without in any way affecting public peace. That is very necessary. So, the government is taking all possible steps for achieving this goal. We want to do what all we can to assist the weaker sections and the rural people because we know very well that it is very necessary to raise their standard of living and make them happy. During the last year, our state had set up new records in agricultural production. The government will continue its efforts in this respect and will take further steps to achieve greater production in the years to come by giving all necessary assistance to the agriculturists at the proper time. We are aware of the fact that the need at the appropriate time. We have been doing this in the previous years and we will continue to do it this year also in a number of ways. The food situation in our state is very good. Food grains are freely available at all places and at reasonable prices. The government have adequate stocks of rice to meet the demand from the people. As a matter of fact, the food situation this year is very good compared to the previous years due to the effective steps taken by the government. Through its efficient officers, it has been possible to keep the prices of essential articles under control. The government has always been aware of the need to assure fair prices for the agricultural produce in order to ensure greater production. So, we have been taking all possible steps to see that the agriculturists get a fair price for their produce. We have been pointing out to the central government from time to time the need to fix fair prices. The government hopes that as a result of these measures, the producers will get fair price for their produce. I am sure that all of you are aware of the importance of forests. They ensure good rains and also provide various raw materials required by a number of industries. The government is therefore very keen to take effective steps to protect and expand the forest wealth of the state. As a result of the many steps taken by the government in this regard, it will be possible for us to achieve our object. In the field of education, the government has done very well. The government has been taking special interest in the welfare of the rural people. The increase in the number of higher secondary schools in the villages has greatly benefited many students in the rural areas. The government of India has greatly appreciated the steps taken by our government in implementing this new scheme, which will benefit the students belonging to the weaker sections of the society. The government is taking a number of steps to expand the medical facilities in the rural areas. We know that medical facilities available in rural areas are not adequate. Letter from Messrs. Ram Cycle Company, Madurai to Messrs. Krishna Cycle Company, Bombay. Dear sirs, we have pleasure in introducing ourselves as one of the leading dealers in cycle and cycle parts in this part of Tamil Nadu. We find that so far you have not had any representative to sell your cycles and cycle parts here. We also understand that there are no agents of yours in the neighboring districts as well. We therefore wish to offer our services as your agents to push up the sale of our cycles in this district and also the neighboring districts of this state. We wish to assure you that there may not be any difficulty in selling them here. A large number of people expected to visit this famous city to witness the annual local festival which is to take place next month. If you decide on appointing us as your agents within a week and also send your products within a fortnight, we are confident that it will be possible for us to give wide publicity to your products and sell them in large numbers. As for our terms, we would like to have 10% commission on the sale of your products. We assure you that we shall make our best efforts to promote your business here. We await the favor of your early reply. Yours faithfully.